Morning guys. Ready na tayong umalis. Ilagay ko na itong mga gamit natin sa kotse. Ito nga palang bike na to. Ito yan ko na. Tatapon ko na. Nagsilbi na to. Bike ni Mrs. Dito ko na lang tinapon sa sa lagayan ng mga bike. Ito yung bahay ko. Isang buwan kaming mawawala. Nag-deep clean ako dyan kahapon. Si ayan, maluwang siya pagka guys, ayan yung loob niya, kasya yung mga bag na yun. Tingnan nyo Ayan guys, tignan nyo yung loob niya. Last year 10 kasya, ito 5. 5 lang tayo this year. Ayan, hand carry. Tapos yung mga bata may mga sarili-sarili pang hand carry. Ayan, 5 kasya. Okay.
That's mine.
Okay, all right. 6:25, the countdown begins. Okay, all right.
Spoor 6, rechts spoor 5.
Okay, let's go. Diyan yung trabaho ko. Ayan guys, diyan the building na yan. Goodbye for now. See you in 15 or see you in 30 days. Okay, to the left. Ito na tayo sa Schiphol Airport. Time check, 7:44. 44.
Kulot ng buhok mo. Ganda ng buhok mo dati. Nagkulot.
Diba?
Yes, I'm self-driving.
Robot. He tried to avoid me. See? Ito na gate namin. F4. Alyssa is the team leader today. She did a good job. Congrats, ate. You found it. Yun na yung taxi namin, guys.
can go out there and then look.
Cannot. Where is our taxi?
I don't know.
Airplane. Where is our airplane then?
There, the blue one.
The blue one.
Papa, what time?
Later. Go, 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 go. Hey, boys and girl, ready?
Hi guys, I'm on the airport and I'm going right now. And I'm going to Philippines right now. And something. Yeah, I'm in the airport. Now in. Here's the toilet. I'm right here. Guys, I'm gonna kind of do something. Papa! Papa! Where's Papa? Papa? I want to go to the window.
Yeah. Ito na kami. Ayos na, tingnan ko nga yung mga upuan natin. Sige ko na. Anong nakalagay dyan? 43? Ito ate oh. 42K. Dito. Tama. Yeah, 42K dito. Isa.
So kasya niyan.
Oo. Tapos ako dito, 42. Ano ba to?
Ito na yun.
43J. Is this 43? Where is J?
Here.
Oh, J. Sit.
43A.
Keep it. Keep it. H. Where is H?
There.
Yeah, good son. Here.
And I use 42K.
Mami, bigyan mo siya ng ano, para alam lang natin kung saan ang posisyon. This one is 42J. Me. This is J, kuya? Yeah, okay, that's gonna, okay. And then, Mami, what is this?
43A.
Tingnan mo dyan. Yeah. Okay. Nasa maayos tayo na upuan. Yes. Oh. Oh, tabi talaga tayo ng ano anak ko. I'm gonna video that later eh. Pesto na. Oh, yan box na natin tong ano nila. Oh. Meron silang goodies dito, no?
Wait, I got toothbrush.
Meron daw toothbrush. Oh, ayan, tingnan mo, may suklay pa. Oh, may ear plug. May ano to? Cooling, sabi niya. Parang ano siguro to, lotion, ear plug, suklay, tamang-tama. Toothbrush, walang toothpaste. Ano to? Did you open this? Okay na ako, Mi. Ito pala yun. At saka meron pang hindi naman to binibigay. Unan. At itong kumot. Ito kumot. May kumot siya. May earplug ka dyan, oh. Tapos meron tayong entertainment dito. Look, you can already start. You just press English and then get started. You wanna put your earplug? Ah, meron pala siyang earplug. Ay, ano? Headset. Ito. Ito, may headset na kasama. Ito, headset. Yan. Sean, you want?
Yeah.
Okay. Ilagay mo na. Meron pa. Dito ko nilalagay, hindi pala. Dito pala dapat isa lang. Is it working, kuya, for you? Good for you then. Yeah, it's working for me. Everything okay there? Oh.
I'm watching Joy movie. It's very fun.
Kuya, can you make some point of view there?
Hello. Look. I am watching a movie. It's Inside Out. Hello. Hello. I like this. Here.
Sean, may chicken. What is that chicken, Sean? Chicken what? Ako beef. Tapos red cabbage. Tapos parang leche plan yata ito. Tsaka tinapay. Walang prutas. Kain ka muna. Pakainin ko muna yung customer ko dito. Yeah, ito tinapay oh. Natin tong beef nila. Lasang ano? Lasang pares. Kain habang nanonood ng Harry Potter. Ang customer ko dito, sarap na sarap eh. Patulog na yung customer ko.